Hi guys, I'm Allison from Youcook. Welcome to my channel. Growing up in a bicultural family allows me to experience the most beautiful and authentic Vietnamese and Chinese dishes. Dandan noodles. It is one of the most classical dishes that we often prepare during Lunar New Year. You must eat the entire strand of noodle without breaking it to carry on longevity to the coming year. 2 baskets carrying ingredients and cookware that tie to each end of the bamboo pole, pronounced as dandan, is referring to a carrying pole used by people to carry a load in the old days. Dandan mian, dandan mian. The name dandan noodles arises from a person who carries 2 baskets using a bamboo pole, walking down the street, shouting out dandan mian to sell to his customer. That is how dandan noodles gets its name. Very interesting, but now let's get to our recipe. I'm using 1 bag of Japanese green tea noodles. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much. 1 bundle of Gailan, and give it a good wash, clean, and then chop them into whatever size you like. I cut mine like that. Wash it a few times to remove impurities, and then get a pot ready with hot boiling water, and we're going to boil this Gailan quickly. You can steam if you wish, but in this recipe I'm just going to boil it quickly using a little bit of salt and oil. I'm using 2 pounds of ground pork. Let's marinate the meat. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of hot chili oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Now we're going to prepare the sauce. 1 tablespoon of hot chili oil, then add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot chili oil with soybeans and peanuts. That is the brand I'm using, and I got it from 99 Ranch. But if you can find another brand that has the same ingredients, that's fine. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 cup of chicken broth. Next, chop up cilantro and green onion, about a cup or 2 cups, depending on how much you're serving. On a pan of hot boiling water, add a little bit of salt and cooking oil. Add in your noodles and cook until al dente. Now if you use a different type of noodle, you're going to have to try it to find out if your noodle is ready. Rinse the noodle with cold water to stop the cooking process and set aside. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic going in. You may mince the garlic if you wish. For this recipe, I like to just slice it in half and cook it as it is because I like how it presents on my dandan noodles. Add in marinated ground pork. Heat is high. Stir fry it, and then add in half a tablespoon of hot oil chili once again, the same bottle that I presented earlier. I'm going to cook my ground pork. Stir fry it until it's nicely golden brown. Ground pork is almost done. Add in chopped cilantro and green onion, small amount. Stir fry it quickly. Then add in half a tablespoon of bean paste. Don't forget to boil your sauce until it's thickened. Hey, dandan noodle recipe is done. Time's up. That took me 4 minutes and 25 seconds to prepare for this recipe. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, really enjoy sharing this recipe with you guys. I hope you enjoy and love it. Share with your family and friends. Let me know how it goes. Comments are always welcome. There's always room for improvement. Thank you so much again. Enjoy my dandan noodles or dandan mian. Thank you so much for your time. Until then, take care. Bye now.